Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones without having to log out of your account on the first phone. Now there is only one legitimate way for you to actually use the same WhatsApp account on two different phones. So on the second phone, open the Chrome browser or Safari browser and search for WhatsApp web. Tap on the first link which will take you the web.whatsapp.com. Now you will be redirected to the mobile site. You want to access the desktop site, so tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner and then tap on the desktop site option. The page will reload and the WhatsApp web page will open with the QR code. Now what you need to do is open WhatsApp on the first phone, tap on the three dot icon and then tap on link devices. Now tap on link a device and you will need to scan the QR code that was displayed on the second phone. Once you scan the QR code, the page will refresh and load your WhatsApp chats and messages on the second phone. Now unfortunately the UI of WhatsApp page isn't ideal because it is designed to be used on laptops and not on phones. You will kind of have to zoom in and out to properly use WhatsApp on the second phone. But nevertheless, it is still usable as it allows you to send and receive messages on that new phone while still staying signed in on your first phone. And that's it for this video. So that's how you can use one WhatsApp account on two phones. If this video helped you out, like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.